Hi, I'm Linda Williams with Coldwell Banker, and we're at my newest listing, 325 Randolph Street, just south of Fort Wayne in the cutest little town called Huntington. Let's go check out this 3-bedroom, 1-bath, adorable, historic home. Inside of this cute as a button home are some of the original hardwood floors, these super tall ceilings. Upstairs, you'll have 3 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom that includes your laundry, so no more lugging up and down. Downstairs, speaking of, we have the basement. It's full of plenty of space for storage. It's unfinished. And then we walk into this great big room that's your kitchen/dining area. There's so much room to move around. It has a huge social circle, if you know what that is. If you're cool, you do know what that is, but I'm just saying, it has one. It's pretty awesome. Not only is this home cute as a button on the inside, it's adorable out here. Actually, this big, huge deck wraps around to your front door, and it's just steps to your 1-car detached garage. This is 325 Randolph Street in Huntington, the cutest little town, and I'm Linda Williams with Coldwell Banker, the best little brokerage. Give me a call, I'll show it to you today.